Hello friends, I am Dr. Sonal Chandak, Associate Professor, Department of Commerce, Shrimati Keshurbai Lahuti Mahavidyalaya, Amravati, Maharashtra. In this presentation, we are going to discuss on cost, costing and cost accounting, their meaning and definition. Let us take the first point, that is cost. How can we define cost? It is the amount to be paid for a good or service or the resources given in exchange for such good or service. In commercial terms, the cost is the monetary valuation of the efforts, material, risk and opportunity cost all put together. Cost is also defined as the expenditure incurred to produce a given good or service. We need many inputs, and in order to buy these inputs we need to incur some expenditure. All this expenditure taken together along with the risk which has been taken by the producer and the opportunity cost, because there are many opportunities, of them he had chosen to produce this one, so rest of the opportunities he has left, so naturally that opportunity cost is also included in the cost. Now this is the right time when we should discuss, bifurcate the two terms value and cost. Now, what do you mean by value? Value is measured always in terms of the usefulness of the product. However, cost is always measured and strictly measured in monetary terms. Cost is a generic term and it can be classified further. There are many attributes. I'll quote some examples here. Prime cost, sunk cost, factory cost, direct cost, indirect cost, fixed cost, variable cost, semi-variable cost, and so on. The list is a long one. Friends, while cost is giving monetary value to the product or a service or a resource, the second term is costing. What do we mean by costing? Costing is essentially a technique with which we assign costs to various elements of business. It is a system of ascertaining cost. Here in this, we are following certain rules and principles which will guide us in this ascertaining process. I can quote some examples of costing, methods of costing, because in the upcoming slides or presentations, we are going to learn them one by one. However, some of the examples are historical costing, standard costing, batch costing, process costing, unit costing. I'll give you few examples, one or two examples. Say for example, I'm assigning variable cost according to activity level. Here I am following direct costing. If I am assigning fixed costs irrespective of the activity level, I will be following absorption costing. Now, what are these? What does it mean? What can we speak on a little more to understand it? Yes, of course, we are going to do that in the upcoming presentations. Friends, the first term, that is cost, means giving the monetary value to the product or service or resource. The second term, that is costing. Costing means we are assigning the cost to the elements of production, the different elements of production. However, the third term, that is cost accounting, whatever cost we are incurring or assigning, if we are recording them in a proper format, a suitable format, we are doing the cost accounting. Let's know a little more in detail. What do we mean by cost accounting? It is a process via which we determine the cost of goods and services. Of course, the same, but this involves the recording, classification, allocation of various expenditures and creating the financial statements. as this data is generally used in financial statements, financial accounting. This also helps us in calculating the cost of the various goods. This helps us in having the suitable presentation of the data for the purpose of two important things. Number one is cost control, and the second is guidance to the management in decision making, planning. This deals with the cost of every unit. We can price the units, we can find out the cost of a particular job, we can find out the cost of a particular unit, we are in a position to know what expenditure we have incurred on a process with the help of cost accounting. With the help of cost accounting, we are in a position to find out as to what are the direct costs which we have incurred and what are the indirect costs which we have incurred. What is the cost of production? What cost we have incurred on the selling and distribution? How much cost we have incurred on the office and administrative uh, element? So we are in a position to bifurcate each and every cost in detail minutely. Friends, cost accountancy is a application of the principle of costing taken together with accountancy. It's a finer blend of costing and accountancy. It is a science, art as well as practice with which the cost accountant helps us in finding out the cost, that is cost ascertainment and cost control. Friends, in the upcoming video, we will discuss about the features and objectives of cost accounting. Thank you.